Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Palworld black screen if you are on Xbox Game Pass. So first of all, you want to make sure that your windows are up to date and also your drivers are up to date, of course, and also if there's any available updates for the game itself on Xbox application. Now, if that is not the problem and everything is up to date, you want to click on those three dots, go to Manage, then Files, and then Browse. From here, you want to choose Palworld Content. Then you want to go to Pal, Binaries, WinGDK, and you will see Palworld WinGDK shipping exe file. You want to right click on it, go to Properties, and on Compatibility tab, you want to run this program as administrator. If that will not fix the problem, then you'll want to disable full screen optimizations also, and then click Apply and OK. Another thing to try out is go ahead and open up your credentials manager. Just go on search, then go to Windows Credentials. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page until you will see this device key, and you want to go ahead and remove it. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, then you want to go ahead on search here, write on Palworld. Then you will see Pal app. You want to right click on it, go to App Settings, and on App Settings you want to go ahead terminate, then try to repair it. And if that will not fix the problem, then just reset the game. Now, another thing which is really important is you want to make sure that your Xbox PC app and Microsoft Store application are logged into the same account. This sometimes causes the problem. Another thing to try out, which usually works for the majority of the people, is to go to Services. You're on Search. Then click on Anywhere and press X on your keyboard. And then you want to find the Live Auth Manager, double click on it. You want to make sure that the startup type is set automatic and that it is running. The same for Xbox Live Game Save, automatic, and if it is stopped, you want to go ahead and start it. After some time it will stop itself, but basically this needs to be done. And another thing is Xbox Live Networking Service. You want to go ahead and make sure that it's automatic and running. Now, the last thing to try out is write out Run on the search bar here. Then go to Local App Data. Now, on Local App Data, you want to find Packages folder. Open it. And then you want to find Microsoft Xbox Identity Provider folder. Open it. Then open AC and then Token Broker. On Token Broker, you want to delete accounts and catch folders both, and that should fix your problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.